Hello and welcome back to the world of mathematics. So, we were discussing class 5 chapter number 6, that is fractions. So, let's continue with the chapter. In today's video we are going to discuss multiplying fractions by fractions. We have already discussed multiplying fractions by whole number. तो अब हम दो fractions को multiply करेंगे. Let's see how we are going to do. Let's take an example. We have to multiply 1 by 4 into 4 by 5. Let's see how we will do. Step 1 is we are going to multiply the numerators, that is 1 and 4. So we will get 4, and we are going to multiply the denominators, that is 4 and 5, that is 20. So we got 4 by 20, right? Step 2 is simplify the fraction. Now we can see 4 by 20 is not in the lowest form. इनके अंदर कॉमन है, बट कॉमन क्या है? 4. So what we are going to do? 4 divided by 4 in numerator and 4 divided by 4 in denominator. And 4 divided by 4 will be 1 and 20 divided by 4 will be 5. So 1 by 5 is the required fraction. But we can also use a shortcut in this. Now let's see what is this shortcut. Sometime it is possible to use a shortcut and simplify before the last step. That means हम last step से पहले ही simplify कर सकते हैं. That means अगर 4 by 20 हमारे पास lowest form में नहीं आया, so we can use a shortcut कि 4 by 20 आने से पहले ही आंसर हमारा lowest form में ही आए. Let's see how. For an example, we have taken 5 by 4 into 12 by 9. Okay, we need to find this. So what we did, 5 by 4 into 12 by 9, we can see this 4 and this 12 is multiple. So 4 1 times is 4 and 4 3 times is 12. That means हमने numerator and denominator को common multiple से काट दिया. Now we can see 3 and 9 is multiple of each other. कैसे? So हम 3 1s are 3 and 3 3s are 9 cut out कर सकते हैं. So what we are left with? We are left with 1, 3 and this one. So what we are going to do? 5 into 1 times is 5 and 1 into 3 times is 3. So 5 by 3 is the required answer. Now we can see that this is in the improper fraction, right? So we need to convert it into mixed fraction, that is 1 2 by 3. I hope this is clear to you. कॉमन मिस्टेक क्या है? कॉमन मिस्टेक ये है, हम कभी भी न्यूमरेटर में नहीं कट कर सकते. Whenever we are cutting, we need numerator and denominator only to cut out with the common multiple. हम कभी भी न्यूमरेटर में कट नहीं कर सकते. We will always cut out in numerator and denominator. You will get to know this concept more when we practice the questions. So let's start with the exercise. This is exercise 6I given on your page number 95. Question number 1 says it is your action exercise. Color to find the answer. See, we have how much in this? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. That means we have to color total 8 boxes in these 3. So let's color it. कलर हो गए 8 बॉक्सेस. सो हमारे पास कितना बॉक्स रह गया? 1 बॉक्स. सो व्हाट वी डिड इज़ 4 into 2 by 3. सो पहले हमारे पास कितनी स्ट्रिप्स थी? 1 2 3 and 4, राइट? सो व्हाट वी डिड, वी हैव रिटन 2 by 3 4 टाइम्स. 1 2 3 and 4 टाइम्स लिख दिया. सो व्हाट वी सॉ, इट इज़ टोटल ऑफ 8 by 3. दैट मीन्स हमने 3 स्टेप्स के अंदर 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 and 8 बॉक्सेस को कलर करा and we haven't colored this last box, right? So 8 by 3 is in our improper fraction. Again we are going to convert this into mixed fraction. That is how we are going to convert. 3 2 times is 6 and the remainder is 2. So 2 by 3 is our required fraction. And if you will see clearly, हमने 2 हमारा होल नंबर है. दैट मीन्स 2 होल स्ट्रिप्स को हमने कलर करा है. एंड लास्ट स्ट्रिप में से टोटल थी 3 स्पेसेस, 1 2 3, एंड हमने उसमें से कलर कितनी करी है? 2. दैट इज़ 1 and 2 and we haven't colored the last strip. So this is the meaning of 2 by 3. That means 2 whole strips and 2 parts from 3 parts from the last strip. I hope this is clear to you. Let's come to question number 2. What does question number 2 says? It says we have to multiply. So how we are going to multiply? Let's see. A part is 1 by 2 into 3 by 4. So what we will do, 1 into 3 upon 2 into 4, numerators and denominators को करेंगे, so it will be 3 by 8, right? Let's see C part. C part is 3 into 1 divided by 2 into 4, again 3 by 8. Let's see one more part, D part. D part is 5 by 3 into 7 by 4. So what we are going to do, 5 into 7 by 3 into 4. So it is 35 by 12. Now if we clearly see, this is again improper fraction, so we need to convert it into mixed fraction. कैसे करेंगे? 35 divided by 12. 35 2 times is 24, and when we will subtract we will get 11. So 211 by 12 is the required mixed fraction. Let's see one more part, that is G part. 1 by 2 into 1 by 2, so it will be 1 into 1 divided by 2 into 2, so it will be 1 by 4. I hope this is clear to you. This was very simple one, right? This is question number 3. Multiply and simplify before the last step. That means we need to simplify before the last step now. A part is 5 by 12 into 7 by 10. So now we can clearly see यहाँ पे 7 और 12 multiple नहीं है, but 5 और 10 multiple है, right? So what we can do, 5 1 times is 5, 5 2 times is 10. तो हमने कट आउट कर दिया न्यूमरेटर एंड डिनोमिनेटर को, रिमेंबर दिस. सो अब हमारे पास और भी कोई चारों में से किसी का भी मल्टीपल नहीं है. सो व्हाट वी आर गोइंग टू डू, 1 इंटू 7 डिवाइडेड बाय 12 इंटू 2, दैट इज 7 बाय 24 is the answer. Let's see one more part, that is your C part. C part is 5 by 33 into 11 by 2. Now हमारे मल्टीपल्स क्या है? 11 एंड 33 मल्टीपल है. 11 का मल्टीपल 33 है. That means 11 1 times is 11 and 11 3 times is 33. So answer will be 5 into 1 upon 3 into 2. It will be 5 by 6 is the answer. Let's see one more part, that is E part. E part is 6 by 11 into 55 by 42. Now if we clearly see this, 11 और 55 multiple है. So 11 1 times is 11 and 11 5 times is 55. Now 6 के टेबल में 42 आता है, that is 6 1s are 6 and 6 7s are 42. So it will be 1 into 5 upon 1 into 7, that is 5 by 7 is our answer. I hope this is clear to you. Let's see one more part, that is G part. G part is 3 by 4 into 4 by 3. See, we can clearly see 3 3 के टेबल में आता है and 4 4 के टेबल में आता है. So 3 1s are 3, 3 1s are 3, 4 1 times is 4 and 4 1 times is 4. So now what we are left with? We are left with 1 into 1 divided by 1 into 1. So it will be 1 upon 1, that we can write as 1. So 1 is our answer. I hope this is clear to you. If you have any doubts, you can drop your doubts in the comment section below. Just remember, हम हमेशा कटिंग न्यूमरेटर एंड डिनोमिनेटर में करेंगे, कभी भी हम सेम साइड पे नहीं करेंगे कटिंग. सो योर होम टास्क इज यू हैव टू डू एक्सरसाइज 6I, question number 1 to 3 remaining parts in your notebooks. Till then, stay happy, take care, stay blessed, stay connected, and thank you so much.